welcome to another episode of What's Up with Dr. Wambui Gishigi. Today I'm alone. I have not brought someone because I have something to tell you guys, a lot of information. Stay tuned if it's your first time in our show. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss other new and good videos. And so today, guys, I have come up with a unique business that I have not actually seen people doing it. I know I did a video previously with a guy who has done a cleaning, who owns a cleaning company, but today I want you guys to open an Airbnb, specifically Airbnb cleaning services company. So I know Airbnb has become the main thing. People don't want to go to hotels anymore because, I mean, it's cheap and you can always go cook for yourself and be comfortable. So why not venture into cleaning those businesses? And I mean, they are all looking for our stay needs to be cleaned. And the first thing when you're thinking about this business is coming up with a cleaning process checklist, because you cannot start a business without the end goal. If you're going to clean, you're just not cleaning. What is your end goal? As much as you're going to clean a room, you need to know, I want this room to be looking like this. So have a checklist of where you want to begin and where you want to end. The next point is determine the cost, because I mean, as much as is cleaning, you will also incur cost. And before you come up with the price, the charges you'll be making, you have to determine the cost. And this will help you also manage your cash flow. And also, when you're coming up with determining the cost, the equipment cost will come there. Travel cost, because I mean, you'll be moving from one place to another, will be there. If you decide to hire people, the employee pay will come there. And after that, then you can come up with the pricing structure. And when you're coming with the pricing, don't be too expensive and also don't be too cheap. Because I know the first thing you'll do is look for competitors. What are your competitors charging? Because there are a lot of cleaning companies out here. Check what are they charging. Then come up with a middle price so that people don't feel like you're charging them too much. And also, some people, especially if it's their business, they will tend to relate with the cost and quality. Quality and cost go hand in hand. So if you're too cheap, they will think your services are not so good. So be there in the middle so that you get to keep your company. I mean your clients. And also another thing is buy uniform. Never ever go to clean to someone's place without a uniform. Yani, it will make you not look professional. And it's your business. The professional is, being seen as a professional is the key and the main thing. So buy uniform. I mean, look, buying like a polo t-shirt will cost you around 700 to 1,000. That is close to $10. It's the first thing, it's your beginning, you only maybe like 2 or 3, depending on people you have to help you. And for your first business, make sure you're the one who is cleaning, because you're the best ambassador for your job. You'll know how you want this business to look, and you're the one who will make those clients want to retain you and give you referrals. Because for a young business, referrals is the main marketing strategy. So then from there, I mean, in Kenya, you can start a business without registering first, because it's young and the process is a bit tedious when you want to start. But then when you're settled, you have come with the prices, you have started, you have a few clients, and they will want to know that your business is legit and it's trustable. And the other thing you do is register it. What you do is you go to the eCitizen portal, you search your name, they will charge you 150 shillings to get a unique name, you get it. Then the name registration will cost you 950 Kenya shillings. Then from there, registering it as a limited company will cost you around 15,000 to 30,000 Kenya shillings. Get a KRA pin. For KRA pin, they will need your pin and your ID. Then from there, I mean, your business is registered. It's as simple as that. And From there, people will know your business is legit and it's professional, because I mean, you have registered it. What else do they need from you? Another thing, guys, is the equipment that we'll need to start now this company. I mean, it's a cleaning company, we'll need this equipment. The first thing is a vacuum cleaner. One thing I will tell you, do not go buying a vacuum cleaner. It's very, very expensive. You have watched my video with the cleaning company I did. They will tell you it is very expensive to buy a vacuum cleaner, but you can always hire from 5,000 to 10,000 Kenya shillings. So why go buying and then your business is still young? Wait your business to grow, and then from there you can know which one you want. Then from there you will need cleaning agents. You'll need soap, brushes, and all those stuff. Another thing you'll need is spray bottles and the buckets, toilet brushes, you know, all those things. You need, when you're coming with the checklist, as I mentioned from the first point, you list down the things you think you'll need for you to start your business. And then from there, you will need marketing. A business that is not marketed ni kama hata I exist ama ni aje. So make sure you market your business. First thing you need is put your business online. In this era, if your business is not online, it's a blind business. Make sure you open a page, open an IG page, open a Facebook page, a Twitter page, put it out there, let people know that it's there. For Airbnb, if you decide to message clients directly, Airbnb, if they know, they will flag you. So trade carefully. But also if you manage to, why not? But also, I know you will know people who own Airbnb and then slowly by slowly people will start saying, oh, you don't need to be stressed. There's this cleaning company that can help you clean your Airbnb. If you're trustable and if your job is good, quality first. Quality first. Make sure your cleaning process is top notch, because that is what will sell you. So you can also do from word of mouth referrals. You can do digital ads. Google ads works really well. And then at least make sure you're posting once daily in your post. If it's IG, make sure you're posting at least once daily. Facebook, the same. Come up with interesting posts. If it's a weekend, entertain people, wish people a good weekend, tell them the way they should enjoy their weekend and leave the cleaning work to you. I mean, be engaging, post a nice pictures, do reels when you're cleaning, make it look interesting. That's how you'll end up getting more clients. And what else? Other tips from here, as I said, don't buy cleaning machines. Also narrow down your cleaning niche. Like, don't go cleaning offices today. Tomorrow you're cleaning houses. Tomorrow I don't know you're cleaning where. As I said, if you have specifically said Airbnb cleaning service, stick to Airbnb for now. If in the future your business grows and it goes, wherever it goes, God blesses you. Now then you can have those, I don't know, 2 branches. But make sure you narrow it yourself. Then do the cleaning yourself. For the first jobs, as I said, make sure you're doing the cleaning yourself, because you're the best ambassador for your business. Make sure the clients can relate to you first. Then from there, when it grows, then you can be able to delegate the job to other people. Then another thing I would advise you guys is to create a website. When the business has grown, go get a website, so that people can always go there and book. People nowadays want things to work with professional people, and it's very easy to get someone to do a website for you. You can hire a company, but you can also hire individuals. But individuals is cheaper. Hiring a company is more reliable, but it's a bit expensive. So it's for you to decide, but it's not like a crucial step when you're starting. But eventually, when your business has grown, make sure you get yourself a website, because I mean, you don't want also to start creating a website when your business is too young and no one is visiting the website. So you're paying for the hosting, but it is not bringing anything at the end. So wait for the job for your business to grow so that you can come up with a website. And before I end, so I want to do a cost analysis for you. for the things you need. The first thing you will need is uniforms. As I said, don't go to people's places without uniform. It will cost you maybe 5,000. Maybe you have 3 employees or 2. Maximum polo t-shirts branded with your company's name. 5,000 should be more than enough. Registration are around 30,000. A vacuum cleaner hiring should be around 5,000 to 10,000 Kenya shillings. Cleaning detergents around 10,000. Buckets and brushes around 10,000. Spray bottles around 2,000. A website, not necessarily at the beginning, around 50,000. With around 50 to 60,000, you should be able to start this business without even the website, or even less, depending. If you know Kamkunji very well, you'll go there, you get things very cheap, but depends kama unajua mashimo ama ni aje. So be vigorous, go get. This is a company that you can start with as low as 20 Kenya shillings, so you don't even need to register first. You can decide, you just go buy the necessary things and you just start cleaning. Then from there, slowly by slowly, the business can build itself. Anyway, guys, don't forget to comment down there if you feel like there's something that I didn't add. This is just a bit of my opinion and a bit of research. Comment down there, or any other business you feel like people should know about, and we can do research together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and God bless you guys. Goodbye.